everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing my entry into Margarita's over at This, That, and Beyond. She is having a birthday challenge over on her YouTube channel, and I will link that down below. So she has a couple different options for sending in an entry, and I have decided to go the vintage theme. So this is the birthday card that I'm sending her. I did some stamping, embossing. Most of the paper and washi tape and supplies are from Holtz. So this is the card, and I have chosen to do flat mail, and this usually costs me about 2 stamps to send out. So that's the front of the card. And then on the inside, what I've done is I've just created pockets for all of the entries that I'm going to be sending in. So right here, this is my little note to her. And over here, I have this little envelope, and I've included some fabric trim. That is also from Holtz. Over here, I just have my hand here because these are like shiny on the camera. Over here I have a little envelope, and I've just made this little ephemera piece using some of the ephemera pieces from Holtz, some of the paper. I've just cut my own flags and used a word sticker. So I've made an example, and then I'm just sending her some bases, and these are 2x2s, so these are really good for if she's sending in a twinchie. And then in this little Ziploc, I'm sending the flags, the words that she can make her own. So that's in that one. And then on this side, I've just created these little side pockets to hold some ephemera pieces. So I have these kind of creepy, cool ephemera die cuts from Holtz collection. And then over here, so in her request, she requested some gold, some stickers, and some like layering pieces. So what I've done is I've included some gold glitter hearts. I've included just a couple of these different base die ephemera pieces for her to create her own projects. And then I had this cool vintagey sticker, and those are all going on this side of the pocket. So yeah, that's my entry for Margarita over at This, That, and Beyond. She's hosting a birthday challenge. It goes on till July 8th. Margarita, I hope you enjoy my entry. I hope you have a great birthday. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Have a great day.